Guys, it's Adrian here from Redwater Dodge. Guys, we're talking about rig ready Rams. A lot of guys have been calling us lately. Obviously, if you're new to the area or new to the channel, guys, we are the home of rig ready Rams, which is your #1 Alberta one-stop shop for customized rig ready Ram trucks, whether they're diesels or half tons or even Wranglers. Guys, from the start to the end, guys like myself, we pick and choose what we're doing to these trucks that you see available on the line, or customers like yourself pick and choose what you're going to do to your truck specifically. We have like the Rebels like this one. We do lift kits from anywhere from a level kit to the big lift kit you like. We do any trim levels, like these Expresses, more so a budget-friendly truck, but we go from the wheels, tires, lift kits. We send our flares, our bumpers, our color matching to our body shop locally, all right? We even go as far as wrapping trucks. If you don't like the colors of wraps that we have on the display, you can do it yourself. You can pick and choose the color. You can say, I want red, I want yellow, I want orange, I want a blue. We can do it for you. Example 2, this truck, Blue to Crisp behind me, is one of my builds. I personally have been always a big fan of teal and chrome, so I kind of built the truck as if I owned it. All right, then you go into other trim levels like the Limiteds, guys. So we offer a big range of variety of trim levels. We have every single trim level available to you at all times. So if you're in a quick pinch and need a quick turnaround time, we got the truck ready to go. Whether it's a big mega cab, another big lime green mega cab, or a crew cab, or a half ton Wrangler even, we have the vehicles available for you at all times. And again, so from start to finish, what we do, we pick and choose the truck we're gonna build. Myself, our GM, our GSM, even sometimes the service team get it behind it too and pick the vehicle we're gonna build at the time. We'll pick and choose the lift kit we're gonna go with. Now, this is the big important thing. All right, come with me. All right, now we're from my service department, guys. All right, so as I mentioned, from start to finish, we pick and choose the brands we trust the most. Because why? Well, you're spending a lot of money. You want the best and the best, right? Sometimes we do get the cheaper end, well, cheaper, people will say, but you know, the ReadyLIFTs and all that stuff, but they're budget friendly, guys. When you guys get into those 150K trucks, a lot of guys, they don't want to spend the money. A lot of people actually don't even care what's into the truck, but we do, because what we want is make sure you're spending your money on something that's gonna last. So example, truck behind me here, fresh build, we just sold it. This truck's on a 3-to-1 ReadyLIFT lift kit, guys. Why ReadyLIFT is great is they are backed up by a lot of big brands as well, because they're under the same umbrella as ownership. That helps out with warranty, guys. So whatever we can't warranty through Chrysler, they manufacture the lift kit and the parts will get covered as well. We cover the work that we do the trucks as well. Paint and all this stuff is done in-house through our body shop locally. So it is a professional 5-star body shop as well. So you're not getting any janky ass body shop stuff that's quick spray and let it go with a day. We send swatches, we send pieces of the truck to get you the exact color match, just like the grill, the fenders and all that stuff. It is exact to the truck as if it came from factory. The wheels and tires, we pick and choose what is more so available, honestly. If you want us to get like the big Ford wheels and all that stuff, we can, but we sell these trucks pretty much within 3 weeks of time of build to end. So we want to go with the quick ones. If you want specialty wheels, we can get it. If you want different options, color matches, whatever, we can do it. Now, obviously we got flares in these trucks, guys. So we go with Bushwacker, we go with ReadyLIFT, we go with Enthused. They're all good brands. Now for mud flaps, a lot of people ask us, we paired up with Trigger Industries out locally in Alberta. They are best of the best. They are big, heavy duty, they last forever. We can get them customized with our Rig Ready Ram logo, color match however you like. And of course, we do tinted out taillights, we tint the windows, we do window visors, tonneau covers, all the accessories we do in-house, guys. And that's how we do it here in our shop. And the best thing to go about this as well, or on top of this, sorry, is we have Lane and all the techs in the back that have over 20 years of experience building trucks. We're not sitting to little like pop and mom shops building these trucks for 15 bucks an hour, all right? We're spending hundreds of dollars worth of hours to make sure these trucks are built to the best quality. Why does that make sense, guys? You're spending $120,000 plus on a truck. Do you want a 16-year-old to be building your truck? Not me. I've done it in the past. I've hit a wall. I'm kidding. But that's a big thing why Rig Ready Rams have the name behind. Oh wait, I have hit a wall. Actually, this wall. Anyways, don't laugh. But guys, that is why we do, and we always say we are the best in the business. We do everything in-house, so we don't let it go until it's perfected, all right? Our technicians that build the truck, they take the truck home for a night, they get the road test, they do all that, make sure it's straight, tighten everything up. And we even call you back after 500 to 1,000 kilometers for a retorque. That's really important too, to make sure everything's nice and tight. We lube up all the suspension, give you a nice little quick bath and all that stuff in-house, and we're good to go. And again, everything as I mentioned, if you don't like a truck that is like the one behind me or that you just previously saw, If you have anything specific, we can do it up for you. All you got to do is talk to any one of our sales team or our parts department and our service and just explain what you want done to your current truck or a truck you're buying. This does also not exclude used trucks. We can build used trucks anytime as well, guys. So for more information on the Rig Ready Rams, how to get going on about this, some quotes, some options, what you want some questions on, give us a call anytime. Any of us will help you out. That's whether it's from parts to service to sales, we'll all give you a hand, all right? Again, my name is Adrian from Redwater Dodge, 780-942-3629.